Here you go.
Thank you very much, Frank. First, what do we have in front of us?
Directly in front of us, Cindy, we have two aircraft, the HH-65 Dauphin from the United States Coast Guard, based right here in Atlantic City. The first aircraft that you see has aboard in the commanding seat the commanding officer of the squadron, Captain Nick Bartolotto. Lieutenant Frank Guzzo is in the left seat, first-class petty officer Jason Chicago. Second-class petty officer Michael Gillespie. And first-class petty officer Justin Bernatouche. And they are going to be lowering the rescue swimmers into the water, ladies and gentlemen, simulating a disastrous scene. They'll be lowering them into the water where they normally would be into the first aid to a boat in distress or any other emergency or maritime emergency that takes place. A second helicopter around to the right is being piloted by Lieutenant Jerry Ryden. Lieutenant A.J. Wallace, A.G. Wallace is in the left seat. Third-class petty officer Raymond Gardner, third-class petty officer David Crowley, and third-class petty officer Jason Dodd make up the rest of the complement and crew. HH-65 is unique to the Coast Guard in its operation. You'll note that it has the enclosed fairweather or shrouded fairweather. It makes it much, much safer to operate directly in the vicinity of people either on the ground or in the water.
The wind is just smooth right now, but that's the standing still. It is not moving one way or another, so that they can see there and be able to get down and get that person that is there or the people there. But for an aircraft to be able to just sit in the air is phenomenal in my eyes.
Well, I have to tell you, they have a little trick out there, and that's the Honeywell flight computer that's aboard the HH-65. That allows it to bring the aircraft to a hover directly over a specific place, and then punch a button up on the computer, and it actually will hold the position. If you get a 25-mile-an-hour wind blowing out there, it will automatically fly the helicopter into that wind, regardless of the direction it's pointing, to maintain an absolutely stationary position over that place in the area. Now today it's going to be slightly different as you look at them overhead, because they are going to be lowering their rescue swimmers in, then they're going to hoist them back through the helicopter, and then as they get about halfway up, they will be releasing them again for a splashdown in the water where the swimmers will swim ashore. In the background, ladies and gentlemen, you see the C-130 from U.S. Coast Guard Elizabeth. The C-130 is the support aircraft. They typically carry on board pumps, lifelines, life jackets, and emergency supplies that can go out to a vessel in distress, through the line across that vessel, with all of those supplies close behind it. So the people that are out there, the person can haul those supplies in, including pumps and all of the other things that they require to keep the ship or boat afloat. Then they are followed up by the rescue helicopters that will take injured survivors back to shore in the medical emergency facility immediately.
Very happy to be for the football fantasy station. That's taking place in the Atlantic City Convention Center tomorrow and Sunday. They have some of the greatest players that ever played the game of football right here in Atlantic City. And that's taking place tomorrow, and we anticipate some 25,000 people will be here for that event. Continuing this week, the Airshow is 75,000, the parade is 75,000. Today, anywhere between 800,000 and a million people being here. It is just a wonder that might happen. And then, following up with football fantasy in the Atlantic City Convention Center. Please enjoy what's here in Atlantic City. We now break with some messages for you on WOND.
Oh, thank you, and right now businesses as our U.S. Coast Guard continues their search and rescue operations that are down in front. And as I mentioned before, ladies and gentlemen, the Coast Guard swimmers are going to be dropping into the water now so you will swim ashore right in front of you. And don't try to fight one when they come in. They're absolutely loaded with testosterone and adrenaline as they come ashore. So you may want to back off just a little bit. And once again, another pass from the Coast Guard C-130. Coming by right now, the support aircraft has been in business for many years. One of the longest serving all-around transport. They're hauling both freight and passengers to distant ports around the world. We have beautiful conditions out there today, ladies and gentlemen, with the 1 to 2 foot seas, which is about a mile offshore. But let me tell you, the C-130 and the HH-65 that you see here regularly operating speeds that are 20 feet high and winds with 65 miles per hour. So this is a piece of cake going today, but normally they are operating in much more treacherous conditions. From the United States Coast Guard Station, Atlantic City, HH-65 Dauphin helicopters and the C-130. Barbara, Alex, and Christina, Paul, and Nicholas. Denise and Frank, Yvonne and Vincent Bongo, happy birthday, 25th year. Brian Giulici and Kelly Giulici. Just with us out there on the sailboat, and good friends of many years, Boardwalk and his wife Joe. So here's joining us today. We brought half the state of New York with us. Thank you.
It's a delight to have him here, and you will note as you look out into the ocean, there are many boats that are out there. The Coast Guard has hurled them into one area that they are committed to be, and the Coast Guard makes sure their safety while they're out there. So we congratulate and thank the Coast Guard. It's out of sea.